shit. All the girls stomp your feet like this. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. Cause there ain't no holler back, girl. There ain't no holler back.
Turn this up.
Few times I've been around that track, so it's not
Oh, I
just
can't.
gonna happen like that. Cause
Wait.
there ain't no holler back, girl. There ain't no holler back, girl.
Alright, hold on. We actually have to get into this really quick. Alright. Today we have a not longer video, but like a maybe more complicated confluence. So today we're going over liquidity sweeps, guys. Liquidity sweeps are great, and I love that we're doing it today because we had a great example of it today on ES and NQ. All right, so what is a liquidity sweep? A liquidity sweep is a market phenomenon where price tends to draw to fulfill buy/sell orders. So if you know anything about trading, especially index futures, they have sessions. So we have 3 sessions. HS session, which is 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. So 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. London, which is like 3:30 a.m. Is it 3:30 a.m. or 3 a.m.? It's 3:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. Oh wait, no, it bleeds over to like 9. We'll just do 9:29. And then NICE, which is 9:30 to 4 p.m. All right. If you want to screenshot this right here, you're more than welcome to. These are whenever every session open and then closes, open, closes, open, and closes. I'm gonna delete that right now. So, you're probably wondering, what are these red, blue, and green boxes? So red is Asia or Tokyo session. So this is Asia, blue, London, and then NICE, we have green. And here's my, here's the indicator, my goodness. So if you want to go to indicators, I literally just type in trading sessions. I'm pretty sure it's this one that I use. I'm pretty sure. And then here's all my settings for it. If you want to use that. I'm going to have my settings to be pretty simplistic. Wait, minimalistic, not simplistic. Isn't that like a Instagram guy? I don't even know. So, whenever we're talking about draws and liquidity, what you're going to want to do is that you're going to want to mark the draws and liquidity. Marking draws and liquidity. We're going to have our little boxes. So you want to mark session highs and lows. So here, I'll go over each one with you guys. So marking session highs and lows. We have the 3 sessions, Asia, London, and then NICE. So what I like to do is I like to use a little horizontal line, and I literally just go high and the low of the session. So the highest point and the lowest point of the session. And then I do it again over here for London. Oops. Gotta make sure it's exact. Nope, it's not exact. I hate myself. I usually just do this on the 5 minutes. It's so much easier. I don't know why I'm on the 1. Alright, so right now I have Asia and then London's marked. Okay, I'll change each color. Change it to red. Change it to red. Now I'll change it to blue. Alright, so I have the lines changed to like their flag colors. Japan is white and red. UK is usually more blue, I would say. So this is what we have. So we have Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low. Now, when we're talking about draws and liquidity, I'm going to go back to the chart. So we have a lot of sell orders that were filled right here. So we go up, and then a lot of sell orders were fulfilled right here. At the tippity top right here. Anywhere along here. Because we see sell, 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 sell. Oh, we have more. Some buy, some buy, some buy. And then we go over to London. And literally right here at the top, or maybe like more so right here, we have sell, 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 sell. And then we get down here at the bottom and we have buy, 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 buy. All right. So we have a sell line, a buy line, sell line, buy line. Okay? Now I'm going to show you guys examples. So we have our spots where we have our sells and our buys. Obviously, Asia high is a sell. Asia low is a buy. London high is a sell. And then London low is a buy. Now I'm going to turn off the indicator so you can't see anything. But I'll mark out open, no session open. To this one. No, it's a little more back. Right here. Here we have session open for NICE marked. And I'm going to go to the 1 minute actually. Really quick, because we did have a liquidity sweep like 5 minutes into market open. 10 maybe. Right here. So here we have NICE open. We see NICE trickle down to Asia lows. Well, if we go over here, we see that Asia low is a buy. Asia low is a buy. So what do? We hit this lick sweep. We break structure to the upside. You can target Asia highs. Asia highs would have been a long trade though. Like you would have gotten like barely stopped. Not stopped. You would have barely missed it. But let's see what happened on ES. I know I'm switching, guys. I'm sorry. This is like only for experiment. So Asia low, swept, and we would have hit it in within like 20 minutes. We would have hit it. All right, but going back to MNQ. So we already have our example. My goodness, right here. I mean, this is a pretty simple one. You don't even have to go for Asia highs necessarily. You could have literally gone for like London highs right here. Like if you wanted to be like a shorter trade, you could have literally gone like this. You could have waited for it to go back up to the lick sweep, put it at the low, and then just like gone like that. Pretty crappy trade. Well, no, it's not that bad. You would have smacked TP though. Now let's get into the big lick sweep we have. The one that I was actually looking for, but I didn't get it because I was too impatient. I'm sorry, guys. Someone's blowing up my phone, and I'm getting distracted from teaching you guys. So, we have Asia highs right here. What is Asia high? Oh, Asia high is a sell, as we see right here. Oh, did I delete the indicator? No, come back. Guys, where's my indicator? All right, we have it back. Phew. Nope. All right, Asia high is a sell, as we see right here, and then we reach Asia highs right here. So we hit this liquidity point where sell orders are being fulfilled. So all these sell orders are getting fulfilled, which is going to move price down. So this means sell orders, and then this means buy orders, but we're going to be focusing on the sell orders, so that's what I'm going to have right there. Oops. So we hit this lick sweep once. Sorry, no, we didn't hit the lick sweep. We hit this line of liquidity one time, and we see a little bit, and we get back into a thing called an order block. I'll explain that in the next coming videos. We'll probably do like 3 videos on lick sweeps because they're pretty important. But we come down, boop, and we come right back up here because I guess we needed more sell orders, which is fine, which is all good and all. And we have sell orders of doom and day. So I'm going to also include fair value gaps and inverse fair value gaps. So guys, so we're obviously looking for lick sweeps because we just hit this draw on liquidity, which is sell orders, as we have right here. So I would be looking for like I was off the charts at this time because I took this one. I took this trade because right whenever we inverse this gap, I was like, sure, I'll short this John. And then I didn't get stopped out. I got break even. I had it pretty. It was like basically like close to 1-to-1. I think it was going like this, something like this. So we go down a little bit, and then we go back, and I barely missed stop loss, and I got break even, which is all cool and all. I just needed to be more patient, because what happened here is, wait, no, I took the trade on ES. Here, I'll show you guys my trade really quick. Oh, so we had a thing called an SMT divergence. You guys wouldn't even know. Not even my students know what that is. But basically, we come over here, we hit this, and then we inverse this gap. Here it is. Okay, here it is. Wait, where did it just go? Nah, this isn't cool, man. Oh, here it is. All right, so we inverse this gap. So what I see, we lick sweep up here. This is still Asia highs, which means we still have sell orders. So we lick sweep this John. I wait for it to close below. Wait, no. I literally saw the SMT divergence, which maybe get in like right around. I think I literally tapped in here, and I was like, yeah, I'm going for this, and I targeted that. And yeah, this is my exact trade, and I barely didn't get stopped out. Either way, I still got break even, but that's ES. So we're gonna go back to NQ. All right, so lick sweep. We're looking for sell orders. I'm so sorry, but this is the perfect trade that would have happened. So boom, boom, go back to the order block. And then what do we have here, guys? Boom. We have a inverse for value gap. Correcto mundo bro. So you would have probably entered right here. Stop loss above these highs. I personally would have targeted London highs. Boop, 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 boop. So we have lick sweep, inverse fair value gap, and then I'm pretty sure we also have a fair value gap that is really micro, but it worked out perfectly. So here, I'm gonna delete the, and then here's the fair value gap. We tapped into that perfectly. I'm gonna increase the size, no diddy. Look at that. We tapped into it like perfectly. And the cleanest rejection I've seen since I tried asking a girl out. Cleanest rejection down all the way to London lows. I mean London highs. Well, actually, we went all the way down to London lows. It would have been a long trade, but London lows was it. So that's just an example of liquidity sweeps. Now I'm gonna go over more. I just like CapCut only lets me do 15-minute videos, so I gotta go because it's already a 13-minute long video. So I know this is really confusing. So questions, comments, Discord server, Discord, personal DM. Did I already say Instagram? I don't know. All my stuff, all my links, all my profiles will all be in the description for you guys, and then you guys can just comment there. And we can get on one-on-one calls, help you guys. I mean, this was because I was about to take this trade, but I was too impatient. So, you know, I make mistakes. So, it's cool and all. Cool and all. All right, guys. Yep. Questions, comments, Instagram, Discord server. I'm wanting to help you guys. I will hop on a call really whenever. I'm free all day. So, yeah, there you guys go. Peace out, guys. Keep working hard. Keep researching. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.